Today I am at 5639 Sullivan Drive in Bemidji. I just stepped in the front door and we've got a nice closet here. Beautiful tongue and groove dark stained ceiling. Looking straight ahead into the living room. You see a beautiful fireplace. I'm going to turn to my left. We've got a wall here and a doorway that leads into the laundry room. Nice stainless steel appliance package, Samsung utility sink, and a nice countertop work area here. This leads right into the kitchen. We've got a mix of white cabinetry on the top and then the darker walnut colored on the bottom. Beautiful backsplash commercial size sink. We've got a closet here just off of the kitchen. And then through this door here, we have a garage. This is a 2-stall garage. We've got service doors in the front and in the back. Back into the kitchen. We have a nice center island here. I'm going straight towards the dining room. This is the backyard. It is all fenced in. There's a little patio here. Does need to be pressure washed and finished, but it's a small area. And now I'm standing at the patio door and I'm just turning here so you can see the living room. And then we're going to turn to the kitchen. And now we are going to this hallway. We have a bedroom, nice windows. This looks into the backyard. And then a closet with double doors here. Step into the bathroom. Countertops are the same as they were in the kitchen. Double vanities here. The standard tub. The stool's kind of back here in this nook. There's your tub again. There's a linen closet behind this door. And then your double vanity. Out of the bathroom into the next bedroom. There's a window here that looks out the side of the house. And another nice closet here. And then leaving the bedroom. So in this wing of the house, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. So this is just off of the kitchen area and the dining area. And now I'm going to walk straight towards the fireplace. I've got a little nook here. This puppy gate is temporary. This is the front door that we came in. The closet here. Then we have utility room. The air-to-air exchanger. It's your well pump. Water softener. Goodman furnace. And a floor drain. And then just beyond that is the master bedroom. I believe this is a king-size bed, and I guess the video is probably not doing justice, but this is a really nice size master bedroom. It's about 10 feet from the doorway into the master bathroom. This is ceramic tile flooring. White cabinetry in here, and the same countertop that was used in the kitchen and the other bathroom. Nice little cubbies for your hair dryers. And then you have a walk-in shower here. The small lip. The ceramic tile surround as well. A linen closet here. And then the toilet is back in this corner behind the door. So this is another view of the master bedroom. And we're just going to turn here into the walk-in closet. And then take a look out the master bedroom windows. Got blinds. It just looks into the backyard. All right. 5639 Sullivan Drive. In the master bedroom now. Just one more glimpse here. Okay, coming out of the master bedroom, and to my left I have the utility room, and straight ahead and to the right we have the living room. So the master bedroom is separate from the other two bedrooms, which is nice. Beautiful fireplace. And back to the front door, and we'll just give one more turn here. See the beautiful front door. So inside the front door we have the laundry, which leads to the kitchen, or you can close this off. Straight ahead from the front entrance we have a fireplace in the living room, vaulted ceiling in the living room, and then your dining area. Standing in the middle of the driveway at 5639 Sullivan Drive. The neighbors to the east. This is the back of their garage. Got a nice row of pine trees here. Propane tank. This house is L-shaped. You have vinyl siding on the front and stone, concrete apron, and a paved driveway. I'm sorry, asphalt driveway. It's your central air unit. The yard is bigger than the fenced-in area. It goes to where this stake is right here. White privacy fence. It's nice trees here. You have neighbors on the back side. There's a gate back here. It's a bunny rabbit. Your septic system and alarm. This is the side of the house where the 2 bedrooms are. Beeping is someone doing some construction in the neighborhood. This is looking into one of the extra bedrooms, the service store for the garage in the back of the house. This is a very quiet neighborhood. It is just off of a dirt road. I would say within a minute you're going to be on TAR, one of the county roads. Easy access to Bemidji. These homes are all newer. I would say in the last 5 years or so. And every home has at least an acre lot. This concludes today's home tour of 5639 Sullivan Drive in Bemidji. So here is a street view looking to the west. The home is just beyond this enclosed trailer and garage. It's the second blue fire number here. And then I'm going to turn so you can see what it looks like to the east. And there you have it, Sullivan Drive.